Hello, my loving future doctors. Welcome to my channel Health Study. I am Shankari Shah, your biology ma'am. Today we will study the important MCQ from the chapter Biological Classification. Very important. Very important chapter. So don't skip this video. Hope everyone is well. So let's start our class. MCQs corner extracted from NCERT. MCQ number 1. The classification system proposed by Linnaeus was a dash kingdom system of classification. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The right option is A 2. Two kingdom system of classification. Number 2. Which of the following characters served as the criteria for five kingdom system of classification as used by R.H. Whitaker? Option A. Cell structure and thallus organization. Option B. Mode of nutrition and reproduction. Option C. Phylogenetic relationships. Option D. All of these. The right option is D. All of these. Cell structure and thallus organization, mode of nutrition and reproduction, phylogenetic relationships. All of these are right. All of these are the criteria for five kingdom system of classification as used as R.H. Whitaker. Okay. Next, number 3. In Whitaker's five kingdom system of classification, eukaryotes are distributed among option A 2 kingdoms, option B 3 kingdoms, option C 4 kingdoms, option D all of 5 kingdoms. The right option is C 4 kingdoms. Question number 4. Study the following table carefully and select the correct option for 1, 2, 3 and 4. Characters: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Characters: cell type: Monera 1, Protista eukaryotic, Fungi eukaryotic, Plantae eukaryotic, Animalia eukaryotic. Cell type: cell wall 2, Monera. Protista present, Fungi present, Plantae present, Animalia absent. Animalia cell wall absent. Nuclear membrane: Monera absent, Protista present, Fungi present, Plantae present, Animalia 3. Body organization: Monera cellular, Protista cellular, Fungi 4, Plantae tissue organ, Animalia tissue organ or organ system. Select the correct option for 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are they? 1. Cell type in Monera, prokaryotic. 2. Cell wall in Monera, cell wall present. 3. Nuclear membrane in Animalia, nuclear membrane present. 4. Body organization in Fungi, multicellular. So, this option B is the right option. Very important this chapter, biological classification. Kingdom Monera. Number 6. Read the following statements regarding methanogens and select the correct option. Number 1. They are included in the group Archaebacteria. Number 2. They are responsible for the production of biogas in gobar gas plants. Number 3. They live in hot sulfur springs. Number 4. They are strictly anaerobic. Option A, statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option B, statements 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Option C, statements 1, 3 and 4 are correct. Option D, all statements are correct. They are included in the group Archaebacteria. Right. Option 2, They are responsible for the production of biogas in gobar gas plant, right? They are strictly anaerobic. 1, 2, 4. The right option B. Next, in Anabina and Nostoc dash are the sites for nitrogen fixation. A. Vesicles. B. Arbacils. C. Acinids. D. Heterocysts. The right option D. Heterocyst. Next, cyanobacteria are classified under which of the following kingdoms? A. Monera. B. Protista. C. Fungi. D. Plantae. The right option is A. Monera. Photosynthetic pigments of cyanobacteria blue-green algae include A. Chlorophyll A. B. Carotenes. C. Phycobilins. D. All of these. The right option is D. All of these. Chlorophyll A, carotenes and phycobilins are the photosynthetic pigments present in cyanobacteria. Next, cyanobacteria are used in agricultural fields for crop improvement because they cause A. Nitrogen fixation, B. Algal blooms, C. Photosynthesis, D. All of these. The right option is A. Nitrogen fixation. Cyanobacteria are used in agricultural fields for crop improvements because they cause nitrogen fixation. Very important. Next question, given figure is of filamentous blue-green alga nostoc. Identify the parts marked as A and B and select the correct option. What is A and what is the B? A, B. Option A heterocyst, B mucilaginous sheath. Option B, A vegetative cell, B mucilaginous sheath. Option C, A trichomes, B cell wall. Option D, A mucilaginous sheath, B heterocyst. The right option is A heterocyst, A heterocyst and B mucilaginous sheath, B mucilaginous sheath. The right option is A. Next, select the correct statement regarding heterocyst. Option A. These are present in some filamentous cyanobacteria such as Nostoc and Anabina. Option B. These cells are specialized to perform N2 fixation. Option C. These cells contain enzyme nitrogenase. Option D. All of these. The right option is D. All of these. That means these are present in some filamentous cyanobacteria such as Nostoc and Anabina. These cells are specialized to perform nitrogen fixation. These cells contain enzyme nitrogenase. All of these are correct statements regarding heterocyst. Okay. Next, given figure represents a dividing bacterium. Identify the different parts and select the correct option for A and B. A and B. Option A cell wall, B DNA. Option B, A RNA, B cell membrane. Option C, A DNA, B cell wall. Option D, A cell membrane, B thylakoid. The right option is A cell wall and B DNA. Next, dash bacteria oxidize various inorganic substances such as nitrates, nitrites and ammonia and use the released energy for ATP production. They play an important role in recycling of nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, sulfur, etc. Option A, photosynthetic autotrophic. Option B, chemosynthetic autotrophic. Option C, parasitic. Option D, saprophytic. The right option is B, chemosynthetic autotrophic. Very important. Don't skip this video. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria oxidize various inorganic substances such as nitrates, nitrites and ammonia and use the released energy for ATP production. They play an important role in recycling of nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, sulfur, etc. Next, In five kingdom classification system, the kingdom that includes the blue-green algae, nitrogen-fixing bacteria and methanogenic archaebacteria is option A, Plantae, option B, Fungi, option C, Protista, option D, Monera. The right option is D, Monera. Next question, dash are important decomposers that cause decay and decomposition of dead bodies of plants and animals. Option A, saprophytic bacteria. Option B, eubacteria. Option C, archaebacteria. Option D, both A and B. The right option is A, saprophytic bacteria. Next, select the pair that consists of plant or animal bacterial diseases. Option A, cholera and typhoid. Option B, citrus canker and tetanus. Option C, malaria and dengue. Option D, both A and B. The right option is D, both A and B. A, cholera and typhoid, and D, citrus canker and tetanus. Cholera and typhoid in animal, and B, citrus canker and tetanus in plants. Option A, cholera and typhoid. Option B, citrus canker and tetanus. Both are correct answer. Next question, dash is the most common method of reproduction in bacteria. Option A, binary fission. Option B, endospore formation. Option C, conjugation. Option D, sexual reproduction. The right option is A, binary fission. Binary fission is the most common method of reproduction in bacteria. Okay. Next, mycoplasmas are classified under which of the following kingdoms? Option A, Monera. Option B, Protista. Option C, Fungi. Option D, Plantae. The right option is A, Monera. Kingdom Protista. Which of the following kingdoms has no well-defined boundaries? Option A, Monera. Option B, Protista. Option C, Fungi. Option D, none of these. The right option is B, Protista. Next, which of the following organisms have been placed under kingdom Protista? Option A, chrysophytes and dinoflagellates. Option B, euglenoids. Option C, slime molds and protozoans. Option D, all of these. The right option is D, all of these. Chrysophytes and dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds and protozoans are placed under kingdom Protista. Next, members of kingdom Protista are primarily option A, parasites. Option B, terrestrial. Option C, aquatic. Option D, none of these. The right option is C, aquatic. Next, the kingdom Protista forms a link with kingdom C. Option A, Plantae. Option B, Fungi. Option C, Animalia. Option D, all of these. The right option is D, all of these. The kingdom Protista forms a link with kingdom Plantae, Fungi and Animalia. Okay. Next, which of the following groups of organisms are included under chrysophytes? Option A, diatoms and desmids, golden algae. Option B, diatoms and dinoflagellates. Option C, euglenoids. Option D, slime molds. The right option is A, diatoms and desmids, golden algae. Next question, chrysophytes are option A, planktons. Option B, nectons. Option C, benthic organisms. Option D, rooted submerged. The right option is A, planktons. Chrysophytes are planktons. Next, the cell wall is composed of two thin overlapping shells which fit together like a soap case in option A, desmids. Option B, diatoms. Option C, dinoflagellates. Option D, slime molds. The right option is B, diatoms. Next question, siliceous pustules of diatoms being indestructible piled up at the bottom of ocean and formed a thick bed over billions of years. Such a thick bed is known as option A, Red Sea, option B, diatomaceous earth, option C, pseudo rocks, option D, red tides. The right option is B, diatomaceous earth. Next question, diatomaceous earth is used for all except option A, polishing, option B, filtration of oils, option C, filtration of syrups, option D, biogas production. The right option is D, biogas production. Next question, dinoflagellates are mostly option A, marine and saprophytic, option B, freshwater and photosynthetic, option C, marine and photosynthetic, option D, terrestrial and photosynthetic. The right option is C, marine and photosynthetic. Dinoflagellates are mostly marine and photosynthetic. Next question, a slide under microscope shows following features. Number 1, unicellularity. Number 2, well-defined nucleus. Number 3, biflagellate. One flagellum lying longitudinally and the other transversely. What would you identify it as? Option A, protozoa. Option B, bacterium. Option C, euglenoid. Option D, dinoflagellate. The right option is D, dinoflagellate. I hope this video is very effective for you. So subscribe my channel. My channel name is Health Study. Who have already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. Like, comment and share this video. If you any problem or question, then comment me. I will reply you. Stay fit and stay safe. Okay, thank you. Love you all. All the best. Wait for next part of this video.